Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about downloading and installing the drivers and the setup wizard for Canon PIXMA G1200. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, for the Canon PIXMA G1200. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and into Google, just search for Canon printer drivers. Just go ahead and Google that. And one of the best results should be from a Canon domain here. So go ahead and open that up. And you can either search this field here for the printer name, or you can go down and select printers. So go ahead and left click on that. Select PIXMA, and then you can select PIXMA G1200 from this list. So I'm going to go ahead and just left click on that. And I'm going to select the G1000 series full driver and software package. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then I'm going to select the red download button here. And it's about 48 megabytes in size, so not too big. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it and select yes. Now we're going to go ahead and select the start setup button. And then follow along with the prompts. Agree to the license terms. And I'm going to go ahead and select next. And then go ahead and actually let it install here. And then once it's done, again, follow along with the prompts. You have to make sure it might be turned on. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.